Hey, what's up? Today, we're exploring the world of large and powerful Android tablets. Maybe you've already tried similar models and are considering an upgrade. Or perhaps you're simply curious about what you can get at the highest level, without worrying too much about the budget. Our focus today is the latest flagship tablet, Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, fully equipped with a keyboard and stylus. Let's get started. First, let's examine the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus from all angles. In previous years, Lenovo experimented with design in this series, such as the Yoga Tab 13 with its built-in handle stand. This year, however, the Yoga lineup represents the company's flagship tablet and stylistically aligns with Lenovo's overall tablet design. No experiments here. The device features a sleek, flat, all-metal body, with a small exception, a glass insert on the top. At under 7 millimeters thick, it feels even thinner thanks to its proportions. During stress tests, I noticed no creaks or flexing. The chassis is solid and well built. The standout aesthetic feature is the blue-green color, reminiscent of Lenovo's Yoga laptops. At 640 grams, it's relatively light for a large tablet, though prolonged use, especially gaming sessions, makes the weight noticeable over time. Now let's look at its ports and buttons. On top, you'll find the stylus holder, 2 microphones, and volume buttons. Below, there's a connector for the detachable keyboard. The left side houses the power button, while the right features a high-speed USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port. This isn't just for charging. It also supports video output via DisplayPort, allowing both mirroring and extended display modes. One thing that pleasantly surprised me was the variety of biometric unlocking options. The tablet offers both facial recognition via the front camera and a fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button, an uncommon but very handy feature for Lenovo tablets. The speaker setup also catches the eye, with grills on both sides. There are 4 grills in total, hiding 6 speakers, 4 for lower frequencies and 2 tweeters. While they're not the bassiest speakers due to the thin tablet body, they deliver excellent spatial sound and clarity. The maximum volume is impressive. Honestly, it might be excessive for home use. Of course, Dolby Atmos is on board, complete with 3 preset equalizer modes. The display was a bit of a surprise. Previously, Lenovo equipped its premium tablets with OLED panels, but this year they've opted for IPS, specifically LTPS. This means slightly reduced contrast and blacks that aren't as deep. However, it also eliminates any flickering issues that OLED panels sometimes have. The screen itself is a generous 12.7 inches, with a 16:10 aspect ratio and a rare 3K resolution, 2940 by 1840 pixels. It's not often you see tablets with screens over 12 inches. Beyond its impressive resolution, the 144 Hz refresh rate is another standout feature. Brightness levels are solid, with typical values reaching 650 nits and peak brightness hitting 900 nits. Plus, it boasts 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, resulting in a vibrant, punchy image, ideal for watching HDR videos on YouTube. And thanks to its near laptop-sized display, this tablet is useful for much more than just entertainment, but more on that later. Additional settings include adaptive color adjustments based on ambient light, color profile options, standard and vivid, and a standby mode that turns the tablet into a bedside clock when idle. The Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus runs on Android 15, with guaranteed major updates up to Android 17. Lenovo's proprietary interface strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality, lightweight yet offering all the essential features. The most important apps center around either the included stylus or using the tablet as a laptop replacement. Some standout pre-installed apps include Adobe Lightroom for photo editing, WPS Office, a popular office suite, MyScript Calculator, a handwriting-based calculator, Nebo, a powerful digital notebook. The Stylus Tab Pen Pro delivers high-end tablet performance. With over 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt detection, and Bluetooth functions, it extends beyond typical styluses. Weighing about 17 grams, it feels substantial yet comfortable. It magnetically attaches to the designated charging slot on the top edge, supporting wireless charging, with a battery life of at least 10 hours. But why does it need a battery? Tab Pen Pro doubles as a remote control for switching presentation slides, managing music, videos, and even controlling the camera. You can also use it for handwriting input, quick note-taking, or as a virtual magnifying glass. Additional perks include a touch-sensitive area for switching tools with a tap and haptic feedback, mimicking the feel of writing on paper, complete with sound effects. A replaceable tip included in the box. The keyboard case features a leather-like design and comes in two parts, a back cover that doubles as a stand, and the keyboard itself. Both attach magnetically. When connected, the tablet suggests switching to PC mode, which transforms the UI into a Windows-like layout with a taskbar at the bottom. In this mode, apps can run in resizable windows, and you can copy and paste text and images between apps. The keyboard itself offers responsive key travel, though not quite as refined as Lenovo's laptops. It even includes a full-size touchpad and extensive customization options. If full PC mode isn't necessary, but you still want to maximize the large screen, floating window controls and split-screen multitasking, found in One Vision settings, come in handy. The tablet includes a full suite of Google apps, including Entertainment Space, accessible from the far left screen. This hub curates recommendations for videos, music, and books. Under the hood, the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus is built on the same platform as Lenovo's gaming tablet, the Legion Tab 3, which I've already reviewed. At its core is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a flagship processor, though not the newest. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4 storage, it delivers high-speed performance. There's also a 512 GB version, though it's not officially available in my country, which is unfortunate because, like the Legion Tab, this tablet lacks a microSD card slot. In real-world applications and synthetic benchmarks, this setup proves its worth. Top-tier power all the way. Here are some Geekbench 6 CPU results and 3D Mark graphics benchmarks for reference. Gaming performance is stellar. Everything runs flawlessly at max settings. However, given the tablet's size and weight, it's far more comfortable to use a game controller, and Lenovo has even included a dedicated peripheral mode in the settings for this purpose. A notable highlight: Asphalt United now supports 120 frames per second at max settings, delivering ultra-smooth gameplay. The only downside? Holding the tablet for extended play sessions can get tiring, especially in racing games. The tablet supports the latest wireless standards: Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast internet speeds, Bluetooth 5.4 for reliable device connections. However, it lacks a cellular modem, NFC, or satellite navigation, which is disappointing for a high-end, all-purpose tablet. Cameras. The rear cameras are fairly standard: 13 megapixels main sensor and 2 megapixels auxiliary sensor. Image quality is average, with video recording up to 4K at 30 frames per second. The document scanning mode is likely the most useful camera feature here. However, the front camera is far more impressive: 13 megapixels, capable of 4K video recording, with excellent quality for a tablet. With a 10,200 mAh battery, the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus delivers solid endurance, around 12 hours of web browsing and YouTube streaming on a single charge. The included 45-watt charger enables a full charge in approximately 2 hours. Final verdict. At the time of review, the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus is priced at around €800, though in some markets it's available for $600. Comparing with some competitors, Samsung's Galaxy Tab S10 series offers strong alternatives but comes at a significantly higher price. Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is cheaper, though it features an older processor. Lenovo Idea Tab Pro is a more affordable option within the Lenovo lineup. I'll try to review it soon. Overall, Lenovo has successfully positioned itself in the flagship tablet space with a competitive price tag. You get a high-quality non-OLED screen, premium design, powerful hardware, impressive audio, a top-tier stylus and keyboard case included, software features that turn it into a near-laptop experience. The two biggest drawbacks: no microSD support, with only the 256GB model available in some markets, and no cellular modem, which seems like an odd omission for a versatile tablet. While Lenovo's Legion Tab leans into gaming, this device aims to be a true all-in-one productivity powerhouse, but lacks mobile connectivity options, which could have made it even more versatile. That's been it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.